we are going to have is based on the Shaiva Agama, keeping Lord Shiva in the form of Lord Mahadeva himself, like how he is in Varanasi as Mahadeva, Vishwanatha, in that very form, keeping him as the epicenter of the whole cosmos. In that very form, this whole Agama happens. Guru, in this case Swamiji, the Guru, will be initiating each disciple into the mantra, the key word, which awakens the doorway for us to live the space of Shivoham and to live the lifestyle as prescribed by Lord Mahadeva will be given to us.
Kashi, other than Sadashiva, no one else can initiate. And I know for sure, with all my integrity and authenticity, he is doing it. That is why I am letting the initiation happen. This initiation is going to precede any other initiation in our Sangha. So millions, maybe even billions in future will be receiving, but you guys are the first batch. With this, all of you become official Shaivites initiated by Sadashiva.
Swami did that Samaya Diksha is extraordinary Diksha. Every time, every year, Swami do unique things, unique initiation, very powerful. And also that when we are doing that third eye opening session, when I put that the Atma Linga in my third eye, I have been experiencing some kind of headache all the time. So I asked Swamiji why is happening. Swami said that this is the first time these things are awakening and working in my system. And also I am able to recognize that images through my third eye. And this Shivoham and IA program is extraordinary, and I am so glad to come here by Swamiji's grace, and I really want everybody to come and join it.
Considering I had no expectations, I'm so happy, and I'm so glad that I made the decision to be here. It's been an out-of-the-world experience, and the darshans that we have been having of Swamiji in the form of Kala Bhairava, or even the way he appeared on day one, I have been speechless each time, and I could feel the tears welling up in my eyes, because I could not describe what I was feeling. I will not say, it would be not right on my part to say I regret, I should have come earlier. I just made it a point to just be here and just simply experience everything that is happening over here. Every single thing that I've been going through here in the inner awakening has been a revelation. I have been through behavioral programs to understand many of my negative patterns, but it's the first time I developed a deep compassion for my own self and my problems, and I think that acceptance of that is what has helped me release whatever I have been through, and one process after another has minimized the impact of any of these negative patterns. And I think the final was when I finally took a dip in the Ganga. I felt I have finally released vestiges of whatever negativity I carried, and then yesterday in the Maheshwara Puja further I released whatever I may have had little residues with my parents, with my grandparents and with my husband.
For example, if I get angry, I'll not have any such thoughts clicking to me. Like at least like few seconds of anger I'll experience, but then only all this I'll get the click. Then yes, I'll come out of that anger. But at that moment, why is that anger even coming? Like what should I do for the few seconds anger? Also, that is also not aligned to become like Nachiketa, right? So how to stop it?
Like how Swamiji had once told in satsang, he was like explaining how a person who told that a few times he had told that he had declared something from the space of Shivoham and it didn't happen. So he came and told this to Swamiji, and Swamiji had told that, see, you have some thousands of times or so you would have decided against life, but for those thousands of times, at least 10 times you should decide for life. Only then things will start becoming reality. So what I feel is that, see, now you know that you are getting angry, and when you remember immediately you're completing. So as you continuously do that, finally you will just drop that anger out of powerlessness. Whenever you get angry, you'll just be out of powerfulness. As Swamiji told, anger is just an energy. If you know how to use it in the right way, you can do it. You can do so many creative and productive things by that.
I have a question. What do you mean by having sensitivity to others?
Okay, just adding to her point, what I feel is that, see, when you work from hard power and poke somebody's inauthenticity, they'll only have like more vengeance and violence towards you. They won't feel complete by it. See, though the inauthenticity is poked, they'll start developing a settled sort of anger and vengeance towards you. But when you work towards with soft power, through sensitivity, not only will the inauthenticity be poked, but they'll have the inspiration to transform and to not live the way they were living before. When you poke somebody's inauthenticity from soft power, they'll naturally understand and accept that there's something was wrong with them, and they'll have the inspiration also to transform.
Shiva. 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 Shivoham. Welcome home to experience love current of Mahadeva. This city is just DNA of physical expression of Hinduism. From your side, nothing needs to be done other than being here. Simple truth straight away.